Remove drive axle oil seal using a Tommy bar. Use special tool bearing punch YSST 951 with a suitable attachment to remove drive axle bearing. Remove main axle bearing with special tool bearing puller YSST 624. Then remove primary drive gear bearing using YSST 624 with attachment plate YSST 891. With special tool bearing puller YSST 624A, remove drive axle bearing from transmission cover. Remove main axle bearing from transmission cover with special tool bearing puller YSST 623. Remove oil seal from transmission cover with bearing punch YSST 951 with suitable attachment. Remove circlip. Remove V-belt case cover bearing with special tool bearing puller S1118. Remove cylinder head bearing with special tool bearing puller YSST 824. Remove oil seal from oil pump cover with special tool bearing punch YSST 951 with suitable attachment. Remove oil seal from starter clutch cover with special tool bearing punch YSST 951 with suitable attachment.